Okay. Hi, Steve Sharblin here. Today I'm going to resurface this bowl with some water. So here we go. First I'm going to make this here. I put some concrete additive in it. Like that. Not too much. Then we put some water in. I got a pitcher of water here. Like that. And then we cook it and mix it. Just like making soup. Only you don't have to cook it. Take a little bit more water. A little bit more. Okay. Almost done. A little bit more water. There we go. A little bit more. One more shot should do it. Let's see. Good. Good enough. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna do this. First we wet it. There we go. And then wet this too. What the hell? Okay. We got a palette knife here. We'll use that. Put it there. Put it in there. It's a lot easier using this than a trowel. Trowel's too big. That. Make sure it's wet, or else it won't stick. There we go. Cook. Okay. Put it there. Put it there. Okay. Good. So we're progressing right around here. Good. People might ask me why I'm doing this, because I got nothing else to do. Is it a waste of time? I don't know. Many things we do in life are a waste of time. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Little by little, we'll get it. They have the fast drying motor too, but I wouldn't use it. It probably collapse. It'd probably dry on you before you use it all. Unless maybe you're a mason. I'm no expert. I'm just a homeowner. That's all. When I was younger, I used to work for a company that made parking benches. We used to make. Let's see, where do we make? We used to make big flower pots. We used to make parking bumpers, burial vaults, AC bases. We used to make pavers, but that was a long time ago. Okay, okay. Now we'll just turn it this way. And we'll do this side here. Okay, okay, like that. This will really reinforce it. Okay. Good. It's gonna dry it out. So more water. Okay, that's about it. We'll continue with the video in a little while. I don't want to make. I don't want to make this too boring. Okay.